Hello, do you want to know how to calculate returns on the Risevest Real Estate Fund on the Risevest app? Work with me. Calculating returns on the Risevest Real Estate Plan can be done directly through the in-app tracking tools, or you can manually do that by underlying the payout structure. So Risevest real estate returns are earned in dollars and they pay out monthly, so typically between the 6th and 8th day of every month, based on the rental income and property appreciation. So this is what you do if you want to calculate your Risevest Real Estate Fund. First thing to do is you have to check your current plan metrics on the app. So what you do is you check into your investment plan and you look at your current active real estate plan. So you have to take note of two things: the money you have invested and your current value. So Risevest does not have a particular calculator on the app, but what you are going to do to calculate your total net profit is what you have to subtract your total deposit, that's your principal amount, from the current balance to find your absolute net earnings. So to do this, if your current plan value is $1,000 and your total invested principal was $800, to get your net profit, all you have to do is subtract your total deposit from your current plan. So from the instance that we made, we have $200 net profit. Also, if you need to calculate your total percentage return on invest, what you do is you have to divide your net profit by the total money invested and multiply it by 100. With that, you are going to know the particular amount you have gained in profit. So your project's monthly yield. So the estimated expected payouts based on annual target rate. So Risevest Real Estate targets an annualized return of about 12% to 15% per annum in US dollars. So your estimated payouts monthly is equivalent to the invested amount multiplied by the interest rate divided by 12. Thus, the monthly returns vary slightly based on actual rent, tenant occupancy, property maintenance cost, or property sales in the United States portfolio during that cycle. I hope I've been helpful with this. Thank you for watching.